Hi and welcome to the course. My name is Nikolai and I will be your instructor for this course. In this course you will start as a beginner with no previous knowledge about Wi-Fi hacking and Kali Linux. My goal is to keep the lecture short so that you can go through them quickly. Now let's talk about some of the topics that I will cover during the course. In the first part, I'm going to teach you a basic understanding of wireless networks and how they work. Then I'm going to show you some different wireless settings and how to install Kali Linux in VMware Player. And lastly, you will learn some very useful Linux commands. Once done with that, I will move to second part, which is more advanced. So in this part you will learn how to perform a denial of service attack and find hidden networks. After that you will learn how to hack wireless networks using tools like AirCrackNG, Wireshark, Wi-Fi, Crunch, Cowpatty, Pirate, Reaver, and so on. Finally, I'm going to teach you how to perform an evil twin attack. This course is for those who want a career in cybersecurity, or also for someone who just simply wants to learn all the cool Wi-Fi hacking tricks. You also have to remember that all information exposed in this course has the goal to teach you the techniques used by hackers in order to avoid their attacks. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.